looks like my camera's working. Okay, so anyway, sorry. I'm sure you guys saw that Windows like popped up and said something's using your camera. So anyway, looks like I'm good. So welcome back, everyone. Couple things to go over, and then new stuff for today. Listen, interesting. I know most of you guys and gals. I don't know. I'm guessing the majority of you are, penny stock degenerates. Okay? And listen, when I say penny stock degenerates, it's with love. It's with nothing but love. Because, listen, I'm nobody is more of a penny stock freaking degenerate than me. But, that being said, I do want to point out, we talked about IBM the other morning, or yesterday morning, as an earnings winner. And yeah, I get it. I mean, I know it's $130, $140, but it just shows you the power of earnings plus breakouts plus an intraday chart. So if you were on that swing trade webinar last week, right? I don't know. It was last week, right? Anyway, I think the replay has gone out, but IBM is exactly, it checked every single box, Tuesday night, and then we talked about it yesterday morning, and I said, I love this as a swing, and then look at when it broke Tuesday's highs and just ground higher all day. And again, I know, probably too high price for the most of you, and not volatile enough. But if you're part-time trader, okay, or you're just risk averse. I mean, if you don't want to trade, sketchy 2 million floaters that spike $3, drop $2, they're all over the place, then you can still do well with that swing trade methodology. And that being said, IBM's a red to green today. So, new note, pre-market live stream, 4/22/2021, and IBM, great, and I want to make that point, because remember, we really get full in earnings season next week, okay? Got a lot of earnings this week, but next week is the official, what I would call kickoff of earnings season. And man, just great example of a earnings winner swing, which would check every box from last week's swing trade webinar. Good upside potential with very low risk. Red to green again today. And then OCGN. Again, if you remember yesterday morning, OCGN was my number one watch. And, I called it, I was hoping it was going to be today's BTX. Now, ultimately, OCGN, it made the move. Not at all the time of day we want, okay? But if you're interested in... So there's a teaching moment. Here's what I'm getting at. Now, if you're new, I really don't want you trading in after hours, but strictly from a chart perspective, if OCGN would have done this at 2 p.m. instead of 5 p.m., it would have been a perfect afternoon VWAP hold high at daybreak. So maybe save this chart, okay? And again, I'm not like, I called it because it was in after hours. I just avoid after hours if you can, but look at what happens when it breaks the morning's high. I mean, it's vertical, almost a dollar a share higher, straight vertical, no red candles. That's exactly what you look for. And now maybe, I don't know, maybe you traded it in after hours. If you did, well done. Timing, not ideal, but great example of why I said afternoons yesterday. Okay, all right. And skills. So my number one watch. What I love about skills, hot sector. Man, they got a P.O. box for an office. Yes! Woo! Always so two things I love about skills. P.O. box for an office address. And then I love when a company puts a sucking alpha article on their homepage. Yes! You know they're sketch or they're stupid. Either they're super sketchy or they're too dumb to know what sucking alpha is. But I love it. I love it that they right on their homepage. They didn't even put it on the press area. Right there, prominent position, a sucking alpha article. Well done, skills. Well done. I tip my stocking cap to you. So, all right, let's talk about the plan. Hot sector, sucking alpha article to pump. Sketchy office. What's the little bit higher float than I normally like, but I like that they're playing the game. So let's draw the pattern, and then this is going to be one of those setups where a lot of you probably know what I'm going to say. What I want on this, I want a chat pump. So ideally, chat pump comes in at 9:05 a.m. So typically that's when, you get the chat pump. So we'll say 9:05 a.m. Ideally, that's going to spike it. So let's choose a level. If we get the chat pump, spikes it to, let's say 20, just for simplicity's sake. So that 20 is going to be a whole dollar, half dollar. It's going to be my HOD. It's going to be a key level. Then we're going to look for that standard short baiting action. Why can't I pick green? So we're going to look for that weak open to suck in shorts. And then we're going to look to enter high day breaks with risk on VWAP. Standard dip and rip to a sketchy pumped up stock. Now, two drawbacks on skills. Price is a little high, okay? Again, you guys know penny stock degenerates love, $1 stocks, 50-cent stocks. So it is a little bit higher priced and a little bit higher float than we like to see. But other than that, love it. Standard, high priced, dip and rip. Give me that chat pump. Okay, High Seas Drifter. Whoa, I like that username. High Seas Drifter. Whoa. I might name my next dog High Seas Drifter. Or maybe my boat. Anyway, High Seas Drifter, I love your username. VTVT stinks. What are you looking at here? No offense, my man, but you got, there is nothing, no news. 5 red days in a row. This thing, if anything, it's a short. This thing looks like it wants to break support. Everyone, what are the rules? What are the rules of pre-market prep? What are the rules? Liquid stocks with news, with volatility in hot sectors, okay? We're talking day trading here. We don't care about stocks with no news, no volume, not in a hot sector, and sitting on the lows. Come on! I'm here for you. But at some point, I'm trying to lead you to water. And if you don't want to drink, man, it's on you. And did I just break my keyboard? Why can't I type? What did I do? I think I might have broke my keyboard. So GRNQ, can I type in Evernote? There, okay, Evernote. I did something wrong. I don't know. I mean, NFT play. Oh, wait. So this used to be, wasn't this like a weed stock or what was this? So they pivoted to NFT. You know, we like that from a sketchy stock perspective. It blah, blah, blah. Ooh, okay. And now all of a sudden we got 16 million in NFTs. Beautiful. Chart's a disaster. Chart is a total disaster, but they dropped an NFT PR afternoon VWAP holds. So GRNQ. Well done playing the game. Afternoon VWAP hold. All right, one more, and then I gotta go. A lot of you guys asking about UXIN and afternoon VWAP holds, but I mean, it's not great. UXIN, meh. Afternoon breakouts. All right, everyone. Number one real stock today. I still like IBM on a red to green. Number one sketch stock as of now. Obviously, a lot can change. Skills, dip and rip, high price dip and rip. And there's a lot more going on, but I need to run. I'm doing 3 webinars in the Steady Trade team today. If you want more, I don't know why you would. If you want to hear me yell about stocks some more, if you enjoy this stuff, check out the Steady Trade team. 3 webinars today, 9, noon, and 3:30 p.m. Have a great day, and we will see you next time. Bow, bow, bow.